I got a message from a guy. We will be answering his message that he texted me on Instagram. He said, hey, I love your shit, man. Seems like you got shit figured out. I've been listening to your podcast and I was like, this guy sounds familiar. I was like, oh, this guy knows Coach Corey Wayne's shit. Yes, I'm a big fan of Corey Wayne and I do love his work. Although a lot of people say Corey Wayne looks like a fucking dork or he looks like a geek. He doesn't look like he pulls bitches. At the end of the day, that's why I'm here to show that his work does pull bitches.
He just met her like 20 minutes ago.
And it does work for younger guys as well. Going back into his message, he said, so I wanted to get your advice on something because I'm still on my journey to becoming a 3% man. I'm talking to this girl on Snap and I want to keep the phone for dates, but it's Snap. She's sending me a Snap and I don't want to seem like I'm ignoring her. What do I do? Well, it's not the fact that you're ignoring her on purpose. If you are busy and you're focused on your mission and purpose in life, you're not gonna have time to be responding to snaps. And the thing is, you can't openly say, oh, I'm a busy man, I have things to do. Okay, that's gonna sound like you're being very cocky about being busy. It's something that you wanna just show that when you're with her, you're not always on your phone, or when you are actually spending your free time, you're not sitting there snapping girls, texting girls, you're actually working on your business. So when you actually do have time to text a girl, it's out of genuine desire for that girl. And so she's gonna realize that when you are actually talking to her, you're actually only doing it when you are selecting times out of your schedule to make yourself available for her, right? And she's gonna value that much more. And the same thing she should be doing for you. She should understand if you're such a busy person and you gotta take a very small amount of time out of your schedule because you're a very busy person, and you should be if you're working or you're working on your mission and purpose. Too many guys nowadays, they don't have mission purpose, they don't know what they're doing, and they don't have any work, they're not making any fucking money. These guys are sitting on their phone, watching video games, playing video games, jerking off to porn all day, and they're just wasting their fucking time. And in all reality, if a girl is snapping you, you don't have to respond to that shit. I honestly suggest you just fucking delete Snapchat. I don't even use Snapchat anymore. Like, that shit is retarded. Like, why the fuck do you have Snapchat anymore? Like, once you mature and you actually start to realize, okay, there's a reason why the phone number is much more superior than fucking Snapchat. Because so many guys find it much easier to send a Snapchat than to actually get the girl's number. Or even to get the girl's Instagram rather than number. That's why I always say, get the fucking number. Do not settle for Instagram, do not settle for Snapchat, especially if it's a girl you are actually interested in. If some ugly girl walks up to you and wants your number, I'm gonna give her my Instagram, okay? That's where the girls I don't want to talk to go to. If an ugly girl, or a girl I think is ugly, goes up to me and asks me, oh my god, whatever, starts talking to me, and she wants my social media, I'm just gonna give her my Instagram. And then she's gonna realize that, oh my god, this guy's a city boy.
City boy!
And he's toxic. And hopefully she unfollows me. That's what I do. I would not be focusing on Snapchat. I wouldn't be focusing on anything else than your mission purpose. And she should understand that you're a busy guy and you have more important things to worry about than Snapchat. But if she wants to hang out, have fun, and hook up, then she could reach out and call you on the phone. That's it. So you should simply let her know, hey, I don't really have much time for Snapchat, but if you want to hang out, you could always call me and reach out to me. That's the best way to do it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys see, new scenery. I'm in fucking Miami, Florida. I just got here yesterday. And yeah, I'm gonna be filming a vlog all day tomorrow. This whole week is gonna be filming a fucking vlog for the boys. And I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys go listen to the podcast. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the YouTube channel. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Alpha's Only Club, Alpha's Only Club 2.0, and at the Logan Duong. I'll see you guys next time.